Sometimes when we're working inside of Revit, we just want to see the components that we're looking at in a 2D view in 3D quickly. We don't want to have to mess around finding the view, navigating to them, or turning on some sections and manually getting to that particular point in time. And that's where a tool called Selection Box becomes so beneficial for you as a user. If I head over to a floor plan and just zoom in maybe to, what should we do, this area here, we've got this sort of kitchen area where we've got some kitchen information, an accessible room just here. I want to have a look at that in 3D. So I'm just going to pull a selection around it. And from my ribbon, I've got under View, this option here, Selection Box. I'm going to hit Selection Box and Revit will take me directly to a 3D view and show me those objects that I've selected. It's going to go a little bit beyond that because the selection box is within the realms of the view that you're looking at, so you've got a range to consider there. But we can now see those objects. There's the kitchen, there's the accessible room, and there's the cupboard space. It's that quick and easy to use that tool. But it doesn't stop there because a selection box is essentially a section box. So if I go into my visibility graphics, because this model is hiding annotation categories, I'm going to just grab them and turn them on. And then I'm going to select all of them and turn them off and just turn on section boxes just to show you how, you can control it. So once you've made that section box, you've got this little option here. We grab it and we can resize it, so we can move it around. We also have grips around the model there to control it. So I'm going to pull it in, so I'm looking inside that space. I'm going to pull it down like that. So we can really quickly come in and have a look at what's going on and control what we can see using that section box as you would normally. So all we're doing with that tool is we're going to a view and we're controlling that we want to see something from that view. And the same is true in an elevation. Take yourself to an elevation, have a look at something and you say, okay, well, I want to see those components inside a 3D view. Make the selection, hit selection box, and Revit will go and show you that inside of a 3D view. We can then select the section box and customize it to only show the components that we want to see at that particular point in time. Using selection box, it's quick and easy to create a section box inside of Revit to view the components that you're after inside of 3D at the press of a button.